crazy. This is the song. This is
ingoma zokujive lezi aselingoma zamagawuti
Ukengoma zegawuti
ziningi
Sure, no.
phela lapho kuno Brad Thomas Chauke no Brad Don la abahleli laba yithi bobondi la shukela gawuti and amount Brad Don ngitshela abakhuluma nangengizayo like that's why antswemu ngepiano ayikho into angayenza makangaringo that's why angacula makangacula
cool.
No, that's the thing. No,
She laughs. I cannot believe you.
You know,
Thomas, my friend's album. My album to Thomas Chauke. No, Brad Don, yo. Thomas like, Thomas, don't shout. Brad Don is quiet, is calm. Like, Thomas, probably is under the table. Thomas, don't shout. This is a thing. This is piano. This is jazz. And TV jazz. Mina look all over the. Labak tracking. Tanan, matuba. Afat pa me. Afat bakwat. Ifikile, papa ni ifikile. Ati. Na kumbela kore. Listen. Hey. Emazu Braton. Angithi emazu khuluma ngivela no sugar la. Usave energy. Hey, listen, hey, Thomas, listen. As much as you went to France, people know you in the world. And they will go to Patiki. By Tiba Lamlela. Nagianem. I said, look, I say, McCain, and I say, let's go. I'm a fast back, but you look at bonk. Nikombela toilet paper. Like a lava bag no manga. And Nikombela toilet paper. Listen. Don't like a lava man and order. No matter baby, hey, I'm going to pagal. If I get shower like little, don't overdo it. Thomas Chauke, Nikombela papa nasisheba. Ekwembuz. Like I this is my talk. Khala ngenkuku ehlatshiwe. Unenkuku ehlatshiwe nini? Ibanjwe nini yaxuthwa nini? Mafika minjani bhuti mphakale lo. Quarter chicken. Spinach. Enjani futhi? Manjani basasekile.
Don't forget the mug.
Tsongas are the best people ever. Like
Very hospitable people.
Yabafana amaXhosa. Khona manje kwena nkulu ya engaged. And obvious engage iXhosa. Lisenze ngolithi nomakula. Ndiyazi papa kuba ndi broke. Go, blinking. And yabuza ke wena malini lento? 20,000. And that TV. And I'm bad. And I complain amaXhosa no bad and that TV. Indaze my ring.
This is kindly.
I'm talking about engage.
Where you going to be this weekend, Scuba?
I'm driving to Newcastle in the next 2 hours. I'm going to have a breakfast right now with Loiso Kola. He's doing his one-man show.